We're a British-American family on a mission to explore 50 states in 50 weeks, seeking opportunities that open our hearts and minds. We have visited 8 states, but our luck was tested upon entering our 9th. Welcome to Texas!
Stupidly, I heard a knocking noise. You can hear that knocking right now. So I pulled over to check it out, and I wasn't even thinking. Came into a bank, and they have like a thing up here. Smashed off the top of my cover off the bathroom, so that's good.
Texas people are so nice, Texans. This man just stopped to help us.
Hi explorers!
Greetings from
Mount Vernon, Texas.
This has been our absolute craziest week of full-time RVing ever.
Understatement. Huge understatement.
The silver lining is it's also brought some really amazing people into our life, the kindest people that you could ever imagine, that stopped to help us when our truck was on the fritz, gave us all their contact information, and told us that there was a campground 2 miles down from where we started having problems. And so we decided to be crazy, push our luck, and chance it, and head over to the campground.
With no idea what we were going to do next.
I don't even know where we are. Mount Vernon, Texas. Let's see it. What does it look like outside?
Pretty, actually. Good morning, Texas!
We need to get the truck fixed, and a friend of ours back in Michigan recommended a diesel specialist in the area. It's about 9.5 miles away, and so we're gonna see if Gandalf can make it there.
That's cringy.
Come on, Gandalf, don't fail me. Here I am at Rupee's Diesel Repair. This is where Jeremy sent me. It's someone's house. They have like a little repair shop in the back. There's no one here. I've just driven 10 miles to get here. I had planned on getting an Uber or a taxi from the repair shop that I went to, but there wasn't one, and I couldn't even find the repair guy. Not there. A nice neighbor pulled up and said, "Hey, are you looking for the repair guy?" She called him for me. He could not fit us in. I called the Ford repair shop, and then she called a wrecker for me to take the truck to the repair shop, which was lovely of her, and then asked me, "What are you going to do?" And I said, "Well, my family and I have no groceries. I need to get an Uber to the grocery store." And she said, "Good luck, there isn't one, hop in." And so she gave me a ride to the grocery store. Bit of a situation, got all the groceries, Uber's not working, there's no Uber right in this little town. Might have to try and call our friend Billy, fingers crossed he answers. I did my shop and then I came out and I've got my groceries already, and I was hoping to get a taxi, but there are no taxis, and so I'm in a situation.
I'll be there in about 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, and it's the Brookshires on Mount Vernon.
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, thank you so much, Billy. You're a legend. I appreciate you. Thank you.
I'll be there.
Billy Jordan, you're a legend. I don't know what I'd do without you, sir. We brought down here for a reason.
I think
Seriously.
so.
Possibly get some quarters for laundry. If we have a $10 bill, is it any chance?
Whenever you're here.
Whenever you're here next.
I'll bring you some out there.
Aw, it doesn't have to be today.
There's no rush. Doesn't have to be today. Just the next time you're up here, if you could bring a roll of 10, I got a $10 bill. I just don't have any quarters.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it, Randy.
Thank you.
Thanks, babe.
He's like, great. This guy again.
What am I supposed to do? Billy, our new friend, he's so nice. He just rocked up and said if we need to get around, we could borrow his truck to get around, which is just, I can't even begin to understand how nice this whole town is. Billy, you're just, I don't even know, you're like an angel sent to us this week, seriously.
Just glad to help.
Kindness is unbelievable. The generosity is unbelievable. This little town is unbelievable. We got the truck back after just under $1,800, which is not nice. But we still have this noise, listen. Could be something a bit more expensive. So now Morgan and I gotta have a talk about what's next.
The great debate, a really painful one at that. So just to get into the engine, Ford said that it would cost us upwards of $6,000 just to take a look at. So this really left us thinking, do we put that kind of money into it just to have them look at it? Imagine if they found out the issue and they had to buy parts and put additional labor. We could be out tens of thousands of dollars.
It essentially needed a new engine, pretty much.
But would they be able to fix it well enough so that we wouldn't have any issues going forward? Or would it just be a temporary Band-Aid and then break down a few states more? I mean, it's just so much to think about. Or do we just take a huge loss and sell our beloved truck Gandalf? It's just so stressful.
But luckily, Billy and his wife Veronica were there for us and invited us to their farm for the evening to take our minds off of it, which we really needed. Climbing trees now.
Tell you, the kids love to drive this.
We're on the go.
Here we go.
Yeah, you're going to have quite an adventure.
50 states, and we go 50 weeks. Which one?
Oh, I'm ready.
He's a
Hang on.
Go ahead, put it out there.
There you go.
I did one.
Yeah, Jude, you did it. Judy, yeah. Woohoo! You did it, man. What's your poop? Watch out for cow poop. Nobody wants to slip in cow poop. All right. So you're gonna sit right there.
Okay, can you hold on?
Can you hold
Now
on?
then, look here.
It's called the swinging tree.
After numerous conversations and many phone calls to our much more mechanically savvy friends, Jeremy and Matt, we made a very tough decision. We decided to let go of Gandalf and take a huge loss on him. We lost $17,000 in 5 months on our family member Gandalf, who is now out to pasture for $10,000 and on to who knows what with a new family.
I wish I could give you a hint about where we're headed next week, but I don't
We
have
have no
one.
truck to get there.
No,
So
but for right now, we're stranded in Texas's most friendliest town.
see you next week.
Cheers. It makes me sad because I did love that track. It was a nice fun. Gandalf, the journey is over.